Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today is my therapy schedule of my feet. The doctor said, if you not feel pain after the massage, do not come to the therapy. But yesterday I have a lot of work, I feel pain. Because I have plantar fascia. Plantar fascia is the lower part of your feet become thick because you're always standing in the work. So this afternoon I will go to the doctor of therapy for my feet and I will work tomorrow. Shout out to Erlinda Diang and Eileen De La Vega. They are vacation in the Philippines now. Enjoy your vacation. Kain po tayo. I need to go to dentist because my teeth damaged. My teeth is not equal, but hindi ibig sabihin na ang ngipin natin ay hindi pantay-pantay. Kailangan ating pabunot, hindi. Mahalaga may ngipin pa rin kahit hindi pantay-pantay ang ngipin. Papapastaan ko kasi yung ngipin na yun natabingi, ano siya, naiipit ng dalawang ngipin. Kaya na ano siya, nasisira, nakakaskas. Hingi ako ng advice sa dentist mamaya. After ko sa dentist muna, then after the foot therapy. After foot therapy. I miss to eat tinola. The true tinola. I need to buy papaya and tayo. I have lemongrass here. I have planted lemongrass in the window. I harvest. And then I need to buy chili, papaya, and the leg of chicken. I want to cook tinola. Tinola, I will make my own style in cooking. Maybe I will saute the garlic. And saute the chicken. After extracting the water of the chicken, I will throw, and then after that I will saute in the oil the ginger. Ginger is the best for tinola if you have ginger. And then after that I will put the sauteed chicken legs, and then I will put maybe the papaya. Put water. I want to buy one whole papaya, and then after that water and chili leaves. Maybe I have a chili in the window. I will take maybe 5 leaves of chili, and then water. That's all. Tinola. And I will add maybe bok choy vegetable. Bye-bye. Shout out to all my subscribers. I don't have a lot of vlog today because I'm very busy. Maybe kapag hindi na kami mas na-renew, we will stay in Israel for 5 years. But if the Philippine government extend our contract, our visa for 10 years, is okay. But I want to prepare myself that I am stay in Israel only for 5 years. Now I have only remaining 1 year and 10 months. So I need to take my time here, double time. What is important after finishing the contract of Israel? What is the important is to find another job, to find another country. That is my goal. So I need to go to the Philippines for vacation first, and then after that I will come back in Israel, and then after to finish my contract. Bye-bye everybody. Thank you for your likes and supports in this vlog. Even I don't have earned money in this vlog, I'm just only sharing my experience here in Israel. Bye-bye.